This is how
Let's
to make
do
a paper
it.
jet. First, you fold this into the middle. Then you cut this in half. And do it to the other side too. Then after that, you do this. You just something like that. Okay, sorry. So you do that. Yes, like that. You need it to be perfect, so it will turn out perfect. Then do it to the other side too. And then half it, and then make it half again, like this. Then straighten it like this. There you have it. Then you just fold it in the middle. You open the middle. Then you fold it so it will be good. You fold it like this. Okay, my video is kind of poopy. Like that in the first one. Then do it in the second one too. Then there you have it, your own paper jet. If you're watching this, please subscribe.